Have you ever dreamed of seeing the Northern Lights? It's a magical experience. Imagine vibrant colors dancing across the night sky. This natural wonder is on many bucket lists, but it can be expensive. Don't worry, you can see the Northern Lights without spending a lot of money. This guide will show you how. We'll explore budget-friendly destinations and travel tips. Get ready to plan an unforgettable trip. Experience the Northern Lights without breaking the bank. What causes the Northern Lights? It's a scientific phenomenon. Charged particles from the sun collide with our atmosphere. This creates the colorful lights we call the Aurora Borealis. The best place to see them is in the auroral zone. This includes places like Canada, Alaska, and Scandinavia. These areas are closest to the Earth's magnetic poles. Timing is key. The best time to see the Northern Lights is during winter. The nights are long and dark. Activity peaks around the spring and fall equinoxes. Choosing the right destination is important for budget travel. Here are some affordable options for seeing the Northern Lights. Fairbanks, Alaska. Fairbanks is known for its frequent aurora displays. You'll find affordable accommodation options here. There are also opportunities to see other winter wonders. Abisko, Sweden. This small village is located within the auroral oval. It has a special microclimate with clear skies. Stay at the famous and budget-friendly Abisko tourist station. Yellowknife, Canada. Yellowknife offers excellent aurora viewing opportunities. It's easily accessible and has a range of accommodation choices to fit different budgets. Timing is everything when it comes to saving money. Avoid peak season, November to February, for cheaper flights and accommodation. Consider traveling during the shoulder seasons, late August to September. The nights are getting darker, and you might still enjoy pleasant weather. March to April. This is another good time to catch the aurora before the midnight sun arrives. You'll find better deals and fewer crowds. This means you can enjoy the magic of the Northern Lights for less. Section 5. Budget-friendly accommodation options. Accommodation can be a big expense, but there are ways to save. Hostels offer budget-friendly dorm rooms or private rooms. They're a great way to meet other travelers. Stay with locals for free through couchsurfing. It's a great way to experience the destination like a local. Rent a room or an entire apartment through Airbnb for a more affordable price than hotels. Look for places with kitchens so you can cook your own meals. Section 6. Transportation tips for budget travelers. Getting around your destination affordably is easy with these tips. Use buses or trains to get around town and to aurora viewing spots. If you're traveling with others, rent a car to split the cost. This gives you the freedom to chase the lights. Look for deals on budget airlines to reach your destination. Be sure to book in advance for the best prices. Section 7. Finding the Northern Lights on your own. You don't need expensive tours to find the Northern Lights. Try these free options. Download a Northern Lights forecast app. These apps track solar activity and predict aurora visibility. Join local Facebook groups for aurora chasers. People share real-time sightings and tips. Find a dark spot away from city lights for optimal viewing. Ask locals for recommendations. Section 8. Gearing up for less. Staying warm is essential for enjoying the Northern Lights, but you don't need to buy expensive gear. Layering is your best friend. Wear multiple layers of clothing to trap heat. Start with thermal underwear and fleece layers. If you need more, consider renting winter clothing and boots at your destination. This is cheaper than buying expensive gear. And don't forget about hand and foot warmers. They can help you stay comfortable during those long hours outside. Section 9. Photographing the aurora on a budget. You don't need a professional camera to capture the magic of the Northern Lights. Your smartphone can do the trick. Most smartphones now have a night mode feature. This helps capture better photos in low light. Use a cheap tripod to keep your phone steady for long exposures. Even a selfie stick can work. And lastly, download free photo editing apps to enhance your aurora photos. Adjust brightness, contrast, and colors to make your shots shine. Section 10. Eating well without breaking the bank. Food doesn't have to be expensive. Here's how to save on meals. Local supermarkets. Stock up on groceries at local supermarkets. Pack sandwiches and snacks for your aurora viewing trips. Cooking your own meals. Choose accommodation with kitchen facilities. This allows you to cook your own meals and save money. Local street food. Try local street food for a budget-friendly taste of the local cuisine. Section 11. Free and low-cost daytime activities. Fill your days with free or low-cost activities. Hiking. Explore the natural beauty of your destination with a scenic hike. Many trails offer stunning views. Free museum days. Most museums have free admission days or discounted rates at certain times. Community events. Check out local events calendars for free festivals, markets, or concerts. Section 12. Start planning your Northern Lights adventure today. Seeing the Northern Lights is an experience you'll never forget. With these budget-friendly tips, you can make this dream a reality. Start planning your Northern Lights adventure today. Research destinations, compare prices, and book your trip. Remember, the most important thing is to enjoy the experience. Be open to the beauty of nature and create memories that will last a lifetime. Section 13. Share your experiences. Have you seen the Northern Lights? Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel inspiration and budget-friendly adventures.